Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use low data in mobile. First, enable your phone's built-in low data mode, which automatically reduces data consumption for many apps. Next, go into your settings and restrict background app refresh for applications you don't need constantly updated. Finally, make sure to set your phone to update all applications only when connected to a Wi-Fi network, saving valuable cellular data for essential tasks. To further optimize, identify and limit data-hungry applications by checking your phone's data usage statistics. Before heading out, download any necessary media, like music or podcasts, and offline maps while you're on Wi-Fi. Many popular apps also offer light or data-saving versions, which are specifically designed to consume significantly less data, often by as much as 50% or more. When browsing, activate the data saver features available in most web browsers, which can compress pages and images, reducing the data loaded by up to 30%. For streaming videos, always reduce the quality to standard definition instead of high definition. This can save a substantial amount of data. Also, disable automatic video playback on social media feeds to prevent unnecessary data usage. It's crucial to regularly check your data usage in your phone settings to understand where your data is going. Always utilize Wi-Fi whenever it's available, especially for large downloads or updates, to conserve your mobile data allowance. If you consistently find yourself exceeding your data limits, consider reviewing your mobile plan options for a more data-friendly package that better suits your usage habits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.